Hi everyone. Today I'll be making walnut cream pie. What all goes into the walnut cream pie? 1 9-inch graham cracker pie crust, or you could use the walnut pie crust. 1 can, 14 ounces sweetened condensed milk. 1.5 cups of milk. 1 3.4-ounce box instant vanilla pudding mix. 2 cups walnuts chopped. 1 8-ounce tub of frozen whipped topping, thawed. So let's begin. Take a bowl, dump in your 3.4 ounces of instant vanilla pudding mix, your 1.5 cups of milk, and I'm not sure when I'm supposed to add this, but I'm going to add the sweetened condensed milk as well. And then whisk that for 2 minutes. Then stir in the 8 ounces of whipped topping. You probably want to just more or less lightly stir or fold so it doesn't deflate. Then add your 2 cups of chopped walnuts. I did not chop them any more than what came out of the bag. They looked pretty well chopped. And then stir those in as well. And again, I'm going to do folding because of the whipped topping. Pour your pudding mixture into the 9-inch pie crust. And looky there, I have a lot left. But we have another 9-inch pie. That means there's 1 pie for Dave and 1 pie for me. And then pour the rest in. If you made your own graham cracker pie crust, you could do a deep dish probably, and then this would fit. And this one is not as full, of course, because this is just the leftovers. And maybe I didn't need to fold it in. Maybe I was supposed to stir it all the way in so it would not be so fluffy. So surprise, surprise, we have 2 walnut cream pies. You want to put them in the refrigerator and chill them for 2 hours or until set. So here is the walnut cream pie. Let's see what Dave thinks.
That's pretty good.
That is walnut cream pie.
Well, it's very creamy and it has walnuts.
Lives up to its name.
Lives up to its name. Oh, I got
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.